What's up guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. Today, this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can earn via Twitch. So, earning through Twitch is a bit complicated. It's not about the options that are available, but what you have to do is you have to show your talent over here and you can earn through it. So, what I mean through those are, so you stream, you have to stream and then you get people subscribe to you. And so what that subscription will do is it will get 50% of you, the 50% of the subscription price will be in your account. So that's one way. Another way, what you need to do is just go to your channel and then just go to what's my channel. And another way is about the donation. So over here you can have the title name donation and just go over here and add your donation link over here like this, and you'll be having it over here like this. So when you go to your account, let's say your profile like this, then there's this point, or let's say there's this link. So if you press over here, you will go to the donation link, and through the stream you can earn with the help of donations as well. So that's pretty much guys. I hope these things help you a lot. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon so you'll never miss an update from us. And also comment for more reviews and more content like this. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thanks for watching.